Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to share with you guys how you can do your nails at home. To start off, I will be using a round bit to lift up any dead cuticle around my nose. I actually bought this drill and kit it came with on Amazon, if you guys want to check it out. Using my clippers, I will remove any dead skin that was left behind. I will then use a sanding file to remove all the shine off of my natural nail for a better grip. For today's nails, I will be using some square nails because I asked you guys on Instagram and these were the ones I want, so I'm going to make sure the tips fit my nail accordingly from sidewall to sidewall. To prep my nails, I will be using the Apres pH bonder, which dehydrates your nail and removes any oils left behind. To prime my nails, I will be using the Apres primer to make sure these nails last a long time. To prep the tips, I will be using the Gel X Prep to avoid filing one by one. I will then apply a thin layer of Extend Gel and cure under my UV light for 30 seconds. Now on to applying the tips to my nails. I first apply a thin layer of gel on the tip followed by scraping the excess off. I then cure for 15 seconds under my UV light. To make sure everything cured correctly, I go ahead and cure under my lamp for another extra minute. Sometimes the gel tends to squeeze out, so I use my round bit to clean up around my cuticle area. I then carefully shape and sharpen my nails with my file. Using a buffer to remove all the shine off of the nail helps the gel polish have a better grip. For today's base coat, I will be trying this new one I just picked up today. I apply a thin coat, then cure for 30 seconds. So for today's set, I will be using 2 coats of my favorite color, then curing for 30 seconds. Make sure that you're being very detailed with your second coat. To finish off, I will be going in with my clear top coat and curing for another 30 seconds. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope these videos are helpful. And don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.